Okay, I'm over in Boise, Idaho area. Got in, what time? Before noon, and I had to take about an hour and a half drive south to meet up with my customer, Ritchie. And I have a drive shaft that I shipped from Butler out here specifically for this project. And he sent me a video of all of the blower pulleys working just fine, not making any noises. And before so we troubleshot it all the way down to the shaft. He replaced a front drive clutch on it, and shortly after that, the shaft started making noises as it was running, some clunky noises. And so he hasn't used his truck since that time because he didn't want to damage a brand new clutch, and I get it and I agree. But here now, right there, it's hung up. The belts are off the front end. There's no belts tension or anything on the front end, but that is not moving without a little bit of a force. Now it's starting to rotate again, and so I listened to it with my stethoscope as I started rotating these pulleys, and I noticed, this thing, watch it. See how it stops? Goes for a second and then stops. No doubt in my mind that bearings are bad. And you could actually hear it when I could rotate it fully with my stethoscope here or on the shaft housing. You could hear it. So getting ready to pull the shaft out. Did some service on his 20 over there. Just changed oils, looked over all the belts, replaced the filter box lid gasket. I looked at his filter, stainless steel filter in the waste tank. That gasket's good. Everything checks out with that truck. I ran it. He's getting really good detergent. He runs an acid rinse. So I'm done over there, and now I'm gonna hopefully have this thing out tonight, so tomorrow I'll be able to slap it in the morning and go through and finish up my service on this truck. So I think this is the 13. It's got 5,800 hours on it, and we're gonna get to it. I'm all over it. So continuing, this passenger seat has to come out, and I'll clean that floor up really good for him. This little decoration piece that hides everything underneath there, the heater core, this has to come off. Everything underneath that side has to come off, and and then this doghouse has to come out, of course, so I can pull that shaft out. So that's takes me about half an hour to get everything out of there so I can pull that shaft.